Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the earbuds and removing silicone tips. This prevents damage and reveals the mesh. Next, position a bright light and magnifier so you can see debris clearly. This matters because tiny particles hide in folds. Use a soft brush to sweep loose dust away and a toothpick at a shallow angle to lift stubborn bits. Be gentle to avoid bending the mesh. Once the majority is out, set the parts in a clean container for the next stage. Now you perform a deeper clean. Lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% rubbing alcohol and swipe the mesh edges. Avoid soaking. If the mesh is removable, carefully lift it with fine tweezers. Removing it lets you clean behind without forcing debris deeper. While exposed, inspect the diaphragm and driver area for corrosion or physical dents, because problems there need different fixes. If you see discoloration, make a note. That tells you whether cleaning suffices or replacement is required. Finish by reseating the mesh and reattaching silicone tips. Make sure everything aligns flush so sound projects correctly. Once reassembled, test at low volume and listen for improved clarity and restored bass. If satisfied, gradually raise volume to normal. If you still hear distortion, rattle, or uneven channels, the mesh may be torn or the driver damaged, so replace the mesh or seek professional repair. Troubleshooting tip. If one side is quiet, swap tips and cables, if applicable, to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.